Kaya lang gusto yung mga bala ko. Ay, isa mo yan. Ay.
Kaya good. Madilim yung ano ko. Grabe pa muna to. Oy, game na. Sina?
Tupat shot sa technical.
Okay, 1-0. 2-0 rather. Yan, goes to the lead.
Foul on jersey number 18, Ibar. First personal foul, first team foul.
Isa lang referee.
Alright, let's go.
10 seconds to shoot.
Oh, good.
Foul on jersey number 13, Florida. Florida first personal foul, first team foul.
Game, let's go. Oli na si Oli. Bar, side step, bam!
Bar, 2 points.
Batang bata. Floater, miss. Ayan na, uy.
Foul on jersey number 3. De La Cruz, first personal foul, second team foul.
No good. And easy
2
basket.
points.
Yes, sir. Wow, galing si Oli, oh. Take a shot, no good.
10 seconds to shoot.
Basket. 5 bar again.
Bar, foul.
Oh, good. Let's go. Drive na. Floater. Bam. There is De La Cruz.
Alvarez. Foul.
Substitution. Time remaining 6 minutes. And 47 seconds. Oy, idol. Mga late ka. Late ka, late.
Tapos lang.
Ano kailan yung district meet?
Ha?
District meet kailan?
Yata
Ngayon? Meron laban ngayon? Oh? Ano oras? Kasali ka dun, di ba?
10 seconds.
Players ka ba? Ayun, oh.
Lorica.
Joke lang. Shoutout kayo, Onyok. Uy, offensive na.
Jump ball.
Yes, a jump ball.
Single. Sub.
Time remaining. 5 minutes and 58 seconds.
Anim kayo. Great. White pa yan. 8 seconds to shoot.
Wala.
Wala, congrats ha. Panalo kayo ulit ha.
Pasok, pasok.
Doon, madumi dyan.
Five seconds to shoot.
Oy, good.
Good.
Oh, good.
Eight seconds to shoot.
Bar, binigay sa corner, jump shot, touchdown.
24 seconds shot clock.
And that's a 24-second shot violation.
Sub.
Mandatory substitution.
Pakitakit yung medicine.
Advance ka na dito, Oli. Uy, number 11. Outside.
Same ball.
Russell yun ah.
Shot clock 8 seconds.
8 seconds. Down. Oh. Uy! Russell! Grabe ang hustle ni Russell. Mundi ka na, makagawan. Good hustle for Russell.
The ball. 2 points.
Gabon. Let's go, Russell. Let's go.
Ten seconds to shoot.
That pass.
Out of bounds. Yellow ball.
Yellow ball. Next down 3, no. Out of bounds. Last touch.
Out of bounds. White ball.
Diskarte, Lee. 4-3, short.
So, foul on jersey number 3, De La Cruz. De La Cruz, second personal foul. 30 foul.
The free throw area para sa Yellow Team. Wala. Second shot, basket. Uli!
8 seconds to shoot.
Whoa!
Grabe yun.
Kasha, 4-3, no good. Ayan na, tumatakbo na naman. No good.
Gaba, Iwanis. Iwanis pala.
Jump shot, no good.
10 seconds to shoot.
Oli. Wala pa rin.
Steal.
Number 6, too strong.
Casa.
Basket. Casal. That's down 3, no good. By De La Cruz. Mga walang great team. 15-11. Almost a steal. 1-1. Uy, down.
3 points.
Nice move.
That's the end of first quarter. Official score.
Alright, end of the first quarter. 15-13. Nice move para kay Oli. Ayun, nagpapakitang gilas si Oli dito. 15-13. Ayan. And shoutout kala Mama, Miss Abigail Reyes. Nasa kanyang council of our barangay 11 SK League 2026. Ayan, maraming pong salamat sa inyo lahat ng nanonood at nag-share na ating live. Ayan, back to ball game tayo. Despite of the weather condition, at nakabalik na ulit tayo sa ating basketball league. Ayan, good morning po sa lahat. Ayan, dito tayo sa Barangay 11. Mini division between the gray team versus the yellow team. Ayan, nakalimutan ko mag-introduce. Ayan, sa mga gusto magpa-shoutout, please comment down below na sisikapin natin mabasa po yan. Ayan na, number 5 to number 18. Number 18, cross-court pass, binigay sa corner. Wide open for 3, no strong. Rebound by Oli. Oli. Hesi. Uy! Pinagay! Oh!
Gonzalez, 3 points.
Tabla na tayo sa 15. Coming from Gonzalez. Number 18. Tumira and gets the foul.
Sino foul ito? Foul on jersey number 23. Gonzalez, first personal foul. First team foul. Sub. Pasok, Castillo.
Time remaining 9 minutes and 20 seconds. Oy, ang dami nyo, 5. 6. Wide open, too strong. And gets a basket with a putback by Castillo. 17-15 ang ating talaan. Oopsie, bad pass.
Sub.
Remaining time, 8 minutes and 57 seconds. Vivar looking for his teammate. Pass number 11. To Vivar, 4-3, no good. And gets the foul.
Foul on jersey number 6. Curioso, first personal foul. First team foul.
Time remaining 8 minutes and 31 seconds. Running shot, no good. What a pass.
Castillo.
By Castillo, assist by Vivar. 19 and 15. Oh, blah, by blah.
Substitution. Relax.
Bola dito ng yellow. Uy, gray! Blast ulit dito si Oli. Anong gagawin mo, Oli? Cross-court pass to number 3.
10 seconds to shoot.
Side step, walang tawag. Rebound, number 27 and gets the foul.
Who's foul? Foul on jersey number 27, Castillo. Castillo first personal foul. Second.
On the free throw area, number 3.
Free throw. De La Cruz.
There's De La Cruz. Wala. Madrid! Uy! Or pass! Florida! Easy basket.
Castillo, 2 points.
Ay, Castillo. Top of the key for 3, in and out. Cross-court pass. 4-3. No. Sige, baka may Oli. Diretso na. Jump shot. Short. Steal.
Lorca, 2 points.
Tama. Ayos ah. Gumagaling na si Idol. Shoutout kay Onyok dito. Kay Jolalyn Buen.
So,
21-19 ang ating talaan. Time remaining 5 minutes and 56 seconds.
shot clock 9 seconds.
Ayan. All the way. Uy, sayang. Bawi, bawi. Abol. Uy, wala. Rebound eh. Number 3. Short. Time out.
Calling this time out for the foul.
Official score at 21-19. With the time remaining 5 minutes and 18 seconds. Pumili timeout muna tayo. Ano, Kags? Maaga nag-cancel sila kahapon eh. Maaga nag-cancel. Yung Paya Prada, maaga nag-cancel. Ha? Maganda panahon ngayon, oh.
Kaya nga.
Sabi mo, nag-ano kasi, maaga nag-cancel yung ano. Paya Prada. Ano nangyari? Ha? Ano nangyari? Ba't may first aid? Next sunod ba ito, Kags? May next game pa dito? Mamaya ulit break time, di ba? Tapos sa pa, no? Hindi pa pamangkin ko eh, ito. 13, ayun, Florida. Diyos sa ano, PR Soto. Oli! Oli!
Basketball ball game.
Ayun sa masintas. Hindi, ito. Yung ano, hindi ito, mahaba. Magkaw na. Style ba yan? Style eh. Number 25. Uy, wala. Uy. Steal. Too strong. Let's go, Russell! Takbo mo na yan! Uy! Uy! Umayaw na! Oli depensa! Ah. 23-19. Oli, dumipensa ka. Baba ka agad.
Ten seconds to shoot.
Nagawang ako. Basket
Ibanez.
by Ibanez. Wala highlight. Baba mo na! Magigags. Uy! Number 26 all the way! Nice shot!
Substitution.
All! Rebound! Uy, Kobe. Spin move. Basket by Vivar.
Ibanez.
Sorry, that's Ibanez. Skarte! Number 23. Uy, in and out. Last touch.
Out of bounds. State ball.
Floater, no. Wala pa rin eh. Kick out, 4-3, no. Baba, baba!
Castle.
Nice shot for Castle. 29-21. Number 11, no. Yes, Karte. Uy, too strong. Hindi ka na. So good. Number 11, too strong. Casa with the rebound.
Florida.
Ayos, may 3 points ah. Napakitaan tayo ni Oli ngayon ah. Babawi sa 3. Wala. No good. Oh! Pumapa na. Uy. Oli, Oli. Oli.
That's the end of our first half official score.
And the first official score, 32-24. Namang pa rin po dito ang Yellow Team. Magbabalik po tayo sa ating second half. Muli maraming salamat po sa ating SK Official and SK Council. Ayan, headed by our beloved SK Chairman or Chairwoman Abigail Reyes of Barangay 11. Nandiyan si Nicolas Planas of Secretary Miguelito Bonghalos or our SK Treasurer. Ayan, shoutout din kala SK Kagawad Sherik Pantaleon, SK Kagawad Alexis Adrian Luciano, SK Kagawad Ethan Jeter Garcia, and kay SK Kagawad Ian Jeffrey Candiaga. Ayan, Kadiang rather. Ayan, this is your makabagong kabataan ng Barangay 11 SK Council City of San Juan. Shoutout po kayo, mabuhay po ang ating mga kabarangay, lalo na dito sa 11. Ayan, so our SK Council, syempre ang ating SK Barangay 11 Council din, kasama si Kapa Alba and the rest of our Barangay Council of Barangay 11. Magbabalik tayo para sa ating second half. This is your makabagong kabataan ng barangay. Magbabalik. Ayan. Ayan po, napakasipag natin SK Chairman or Chairwoman. Isang timer na rin. Shout out, boss! Ha?
Comment ka.
Mahulugan ka ng shirt eh.
Seymour.
Basket.
Gonzales.
Ay Gonzales. 26-32 ang ating talaan. Bola rito ng yellow. Ayan na, tumira sa 3. Too strong. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 23. Let's go, great team. Number 3. Kaso Oli, stop and pop, too strong. Ayan na, nagagawan. And that's a jump ball.
Possession yellow.
Paikli mo, paikli mo. Paikli mo. Ayan na, si number 15. Drive. No good. Rebound by Oli. Oli, binigay kay number 3. De La Cruz. Tessie, step back 2. No. Rebound ng yellow. Vivar, out at pass. Number 27, all along. Yes, sir. For Castillo. Akit ulit, up by 8. Out of bounds. Pass to Oli. Oli. Pass to Oli. Guy, fake. Running shot, no. Number 23. Oopsie, too strong. Wala pa rin. De La Cruz. Basket. Time out. Yellow team. Official score is 28-34. With the time remaining 7 minutes and 44 seconds. Time out muna rito ang yellow team. Ay, nakita ko yun.
Sabi siya mo.
Oo, nakatingin ka dito sa camera. Pag na-shoot ka, tabi-tabi. Number 25, basket. 36-28. Kasaw. Number 23 and gets the foul.
Foul on jersey number 26.
Gonzalez shooting 4-2.
The board. First personal foul, first team foul.
23rd lamang kami.
Mga kailan? 8. Basket. Eh na, umabol na ang Gray. 36-29. Second shot, basket. 2 for 2. Tanim na lang. Ang hinahabol ng Gray team.
Time remaining 7 minutes and 6 seconds.
Last 7 minutes tayo. Let's go. Oh, good sa foul by Kasaw.
Foul on jersey number 6, Casa. First personal foul, first team foul.
Fake. Jump shot, no? Number 3. Uy, wala. Number 8. Uy. Tira. Oh. Yes, sir! Ayan na. 4 na lang. 36-32. Kick out to number 26. Biligay kay number 3. Wala. Uy, trouble. Block from behind. Ayan na, 4 na lang. Time remaining 5 minutes and 56 seconds. Bola rito ng yellow. Yellow umatake. Wala. Ayan na, nagagawan makuha. And gets the foul.
Foul on jersey number 3, De La Cruz.
Foul dito si De La Cruz.
Gonzalez. Second personal foul, second team foul.
Ganda ko siya. Madali lang yan. Madali lang. Mas madali. Bili nga ako niyan. Pang-highlight side. Oy!
Substitution.
Yabang talaga eh, putang. Ngayon na talaga ako. Ay! Net! Nabero pa, putang.
Pasa! Tira! Tira, Kasaw! Ba! Nice shot! May Kasaw! Para buzzer beater! Dalawa na lang! Ayan na, side step. Uy, trouble! Nice one, my Vivar! Take! Number 23, binigay sa corner, jump shot, too strong, rebound ng yellow team. Ayun na si Castillo. Uy, wala. Pass to Vivar. Kick out to number 11 for 3. No rebound.
Jump ball, single.
And that's a jump ball. Bola nyo. Bili, bili. Skarte, ito. Baba muna, baba. Number 23, binigay sa corner. Stop and pump, too strong. Rebound by
10
Oli.
seconds to shoot.
Oli. Uy, wala. Sayang, reverse layup doon. Napalakas lang. Ayan na si Vivar, running shot, no. Rebound. Kasaw, pass to Oli. Oli. Hesi, binigay sa corner. Uy, bad pass.
Steal.
Number 25, no. Pass to Oli.
Ten seconds to shoot.
Uy!
Lollipop, points.
Ba! Pressure! Abala na ako sa dalawa ulit. Ayan na si Vivar, tinutok, wala, rebound. Nasa corner, jump shot, bang! Tabla na tayo sa 38. Gumaganda ang laban natin, gumaganda.
Pamangkin mo?
Oh. Number 13. Coach, gawa mo ha.
Tumitira dyan ha. Ilapit ko sa inyo bola.
Alright, tabla tayo sa 38. Ayan na, gumaganda na po ang laban. Malapit na tayo.
All 38.
Seryoso na ang yellow dito sa pagkakataong ito. Number 15. Uy. Nasa loob, Vivar. Wala pa rin. Castillo with a putback. Sorry, that's Tebianes. 40-38 ang ating talaan. Gets a foul by Vivar.
Foul on jersey number 18, Vivar. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Sub.
Number 3, floater. Yes, sir. Change favor. Oh, correction. Tabla tayo ulit. Yan, pang ating third deadlock ngayong araw. Gray versus yellow team. Vivar, Hesi. Side step using the glass. Sinigurado na ni Vivar. Baba! De La Cruz. Oopsie, babas. Yajas. Oh, steal. Side step basket by Ibanez. Tawid mo, tawid. Kapay nga. Uy, block. Uy, nice move by Ibanez. 46-40.
Shot clock 10 seconds.
Oh, good. Wala. Rebound by Russell. Uy! Russell. Wala. Get around. Miss by Ibanez.
Time remaining 19 seconds.
19 seconds. Eleven, 10. Tira. No good. And that's the end of our third quarter.
And the required official score 48-40. Leading the yellow team.
48-40. Oo nga eh. Alright, end of the third quarter. Lamang pa rin dito ng 8 ang yellow team nila Vivar. Tayo na sa ating fourth and last quarter.
Back to the bottom. May pasok na po. Yellow ball, yellow ball.
Depensa tayo, depensa! Hilo na. May laban kayo? Wala. Ah, wala? Wala laro kayo, no? School na, ano? Bukas pa? Bukas? School? Hindi, bukas. Hindi, yung ano? Uy, nakalusot.
Oh, points. Shot clock 10 seconds.
Capistrano.
Yes, tulong! Tira!
Uy.
Sayang!
Basket by number 25. That's Ibanez.
Tira! Uy, dali mo! Tumakbo ka din!
No good.
Tulong! Tulong! Yan! Tulong!
Bad pass. Time remaining 8 minutes and 38 seconds. Pabola, boss. Prep. Sorry. Okay, tawid.
Shot clock 11 seconds.
Alright, pasensya naman, nag-overheat. Basket for
Lori
Oli.
points. Out of bounds. Great ball.
Oli, depensa!
Gonzalez.
Nag-habol kayo! Uli! Uy, wala.
Out of bounds, same ball.
Defense!
Substitution.
Pinasok na ulit.
Shot clock 19 seconds.
Oh, tira! Nice one!
Lori line 2 points.
Uy! Babae! Ayun, no? Right, no? Ba! Atake! Diretso na! Uy! Tira! Oy!
Substitution.
Ali! Doon na kayo! Atake! Kuha ang bola! Kuha naman na, no? Man mo! Wala na. Easy basket.
Castillo 2 points.
Kaya kaya pa yan! Let's go, Gray!
10 seconds to shoot. Same ball. Substitution. Shot clock 6 seconds.
Ay, sayang.
Rodriguez, points.
Okay, baba! Uy, steal. Uy! Nice move, baby bar. 60, 50. Gila, buhay. Oh, good defense.
Substitution. Pasok na.
Oli, kunin mo na yung bola agad. Baba mo na agad.
Time remaining 2 minutes, 54 seconds.
Diretso mo na agad, Loli.
Timeout. Great.
Depensa. Kaya pa yan. Doon, tawag ka doon. Tawag ka. Tawag. Time out. So, lumayo lalo ulit.
Back to the ball game.
Hindi na pinasok yung bata. Hindi na pinasok. Game. 2 minutes and 54. Bola ng Gray. Oli.
Shot clock 10 seconds. Sting ball. Shot clock 1 second. 1 second to
Sayang.
24 second shot clock violation.
Eh, depensa, Oli. And Lee, depensa na. Naghabol kayo. Uy. Sportsmanship. Okay, baba! Baba! Nice pass! Jump shot! Uy, sayang! Go, defense! Naiwanan! All the way! Wala! Another rebound by Ibanez. Binigay. Pass number 26. Uy, wala pa rin. Isa pa, wala pa rin. Rebound.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes. Hag. Yeah. All the way. Basket. Easy basket.
Portuguese points. Sub.
Oh, bigyan natin sa mga kids. Sub mo lang kay sub. Ayun na. Inasok na yung mata. Inasok na. Shoutout, Ate Ming. You know, shoutout. Tor. Hey. Let's go. Bola, Greg. Bola nyo. Lapit na bola.
Set ako.
Go, Kasaw.
Ako, sige.
Uy. Good.
Set.
Ayan na, Lady Ballers. Number 5. Uy, still. Ayan na, Lagagon. Number 5. Uy, number 18. Nasa corner. Ayan na, titira yan. Uy! Gray ball. Let's go. 48 seconds. Kasaw. Tira. Bye, sayang. Baba, Russell. Ayun na. Uy. Last 28 seconds. Okay, baba, let's go! Kayan! Shoot! Kasaw for 3. Go! Ayun na, to Lady Baller. Ayun na, number 5. Oy, wala! rebound. Baba! Yes! And then! Yun na! Uy! Sayang. Wala. Gray. Wala, Gray. Oh, Gray daw, Gray! Last shot! 5 seconds ha, 5 seconds. Game, 5 seconds. Bili, 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Uy, patay, laga. Uli. Tira! Sayang.
Official score, 62.
Alright, nice game from both teams. Congratulations. Sayang, walang foul. Oh. Dito na ako sa foul. Foul dapat yun eh. Alright, what a good game from both teams. Our final score, 60-52. Wala tao ko Paul yun eh, oh. Wala, pre. Adalid. Shoutout.
Shoutout nga pala kay Kuya nga pati kaya Tilayga sa jowa niya.
Eh, shoutout. Cheers.
Ay mo, boy! Shoutout!
Sayang walang Paul, no? Paul ba? Okay, tara. Shoutout. Alright. Congrats everyone.
Shoutout sa red team. Dudurugin namin sila.
Picture!
Okay, game. Shoutout. Uy. Ayan, thank you po kay SK Chairwoman, Miss Abigail Reyes. Ayan, Ethan. At sa lahat ng council ng ating barangay.
Shoutout!
Okay. Oh, shoutout bilis, last one. Shoutout.
Shoutout kay Jan Paolo.
Thank you.
Mag-live